This fast-paced and practical session gives you everything you need to excel at interviews, gain an advantage over everyone else, and nail that job. Now, the truth is, competition for the best jobs can be really tough. What you need is an edge, something different that makes you stand out. And that's what this course is giving you. We've combined core interview skills, we've added on the latest and greatest neuroscience and advanced techniques that you need to know if you want to secure that job. And guess what? Most people are focused on making sure that they can answer really well every question thrown at them. That's their goal, to answer the questions really well, and that's a mistake. The goal should be to secure a job offer at the end of the process, and if you only focus on answering the questions, you're missing more than 50% of the opportunity you have to win that job. And that's what this course is giving you. It's giving you both sides, answering the questions, but also what you need to know and what you need to do to make sure it's you that gets that job offer. So join us on this program. Don't miss out on that job. It's doing things differently that makes the difference. Why don't you start today?